Today in this video, I show you how to force move apps to SD card. Now to change apps from internal storage to SD card, you have to open settings. Now scroll down to find apps, click on apps, select the app that you want to change. Now you may notice that some apps allow you to switch from internal storage to the SD card while others do not offer this option. To get this option for all apps, you have to enable developer mode. Go to about phone and then software information. Now you have to tap 7 to 8 times on build number and MIUI version. Once your developer mode is enabled, you have to go back and open developer options. Now scroll down to find app category and go to force allow apps on external. Now if I enable this toggle, you will be able to move apps to the SD card that previously could not be moved. After moving apps to the SD card, you may notice some lag when using them. Therefore, use this option only when you have no other choice. So this is how you can force move apps to SD card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.